Okay, children, so I will tell you a story today. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived three pigs. They were brothers. Then one day, they decided to make their own houses. So one piggy, he made the house with hay. And he got fresh hay and he tied it up and he made a house. It was made very fast. And he was very happy. And he liked the house a lot. His second brother, he decided to make it with wood. Now, wood takes a bit more time because you have to cut it, chop it into nice pieces, you have to get it from the forest, and then you have to make the thing. And his house was also coming up good. He took more time than the house which was built from hay. His younger brother said, "Why are you making with wood? Isn't it easier to make it with hay?" He said, "No, I wanted a bit more stronger house." So, anyway, finally his house was complete. Then they saw what was the third brother doing. And then they realized the third brother was making it with rocks. He was cutting the rock from the mountain, bringing that rock. It was taking so much time, and now only the foundation was ready. And he was taking too much time. His younger brother said, "Hello, big brother, what are you doing? Why are you making it with rocks?" So the big brother said, "I want a strong house." Anyway, the younger brothers found it very funny and they were playing while the elder brother was struggling to make the house with stones. Now it so happened after the house was complete, one day in the night, one wolf came. And the wolf came to the first house where the brother who was staying in the hay house. He told, "Piggy, you come out immediately." So the piggy said, "No, no, no, I won't come out." The wolf said, "I will puff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house away." So little piggy got a bit scared. And then the big bad wolf, he huffed and he puffed and he blew. And the house of hay just flew away. And the piggy was going to be caught by the wolf. And the piggy ran quickly to his brother's house, who was staying in the wood house. The wolf came to the wood house and he knocked on the door and said, "Come on, two pigs, I am going to have you for dinner." So the two pigs were shivering and they were sitting in the corner. They said, "Nothing, what should we do? What should we do?" And then the big bad wolf said, "I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house away." Now he did boof. And what happened? The house did boo. So the big bad wolf came and shook the house, and the wooden house started shaking. The big bad wolf said, "Come out of the house, I am going to eat you up. Oh, I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house away." And the little pigs were really scared now because the house was shaking. And then he gave one whoof and the whole house scattered out. Quickly, the two pigs, what did they do? Yeah, they ran to the third brother's house. And the third brother's house was made with what? Yes, it was made with rocks. And the wolf struggled and came following. He reached the third house. He said, "Enough, enough, pigs, come out. I'm going to eat you up. Don't waste my time." He said, "I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house away." Now what happened? The three piggies were inside. The elder brother said, "Don't be worried. I'm there." But the younger two piggies had seen what the wolf could do. And then the wolf did. And what happened? Nothing happened. Nothing happened. The house did not move. Now the wolf came and shook the house. Anything happened to the house? Nothing. It was strong. It was made out of rocks. The wolf said, "I'll come and dash into your house and I'll break the house. Come out of the house immediately." But the wolf was also getting tired doing all this puffing and puffing. And then the wolf came dashing into the house and he came and rammed into the house. What happened? The wolf got hurt. His blood started coming out because the house was made of rocks and it was very strong. And then the wolf said, enough is enough, and he left. And the younger two pigs, they thanked the elder brother and they said, oh, you took so much time and we were playing that time. You are such a good idea yours was to make it with rocks. Now in future, we'll also make the house, strong house we'll make. We'll not make simple, easy houses. Thank you, big brother, they said. Now, children, what is the message of the story? Okay? Thank you.